Beneath the waves, in a realm where light barely penetrates, an enchanting world comes to life. Glowing sea creatures dance in the darkness, their vibrant colors illuminating the deep sea. These bioluminescent beings are more than just beautiful. They play a crucial role in the ocean's intricate ecosystem. Some flash mesmerizing patterns to attract mates, while others emit light to confuse predators or lure unsuspecting prey. Imagine the ethereal beauty of jellyfish, their soft, glowing tentacles drifting gracefully with the currents. Then, picture the anglerfish, showcasing their glowing lures in a spectacular game of hide and seek. Each flicker and glow tells a captivating story, a sign of life in this otherworldly environment. As we dive deeper into this mysterious underwater realm, we're reminded of the magic just beneath the surface, waiting for us to uncover its wonders. The ocean, a breathtaking world of curiosity, continuously inspires awe